Prediction markets are exploding, but they're still dominated by noise, Twitter rumors, gut feelings, and herd mentality. We built TradeWizard to change that. We orchestrated a network of 15 plus specialized AI agents that don't just analyze markets, they debate each other in real time. One agent reads breaking news, another analyzes polling data, a third models market microstructure, and a skeptic actively pokes holes in their reasoning. They reach consensus through a structured debate protocol, then we execute trades directly on polymarket. The result? Institutional grade intelligence for everyday traders. Transparent, explainable, autonomous. Here's the thing about prediction markets today. You get odds, you get volume, but you don't get reasoning. So we built a system that runs 24/7, constantly monitoring polymarket for active conditions. Behind the scenes, we have two parallel backends, a TypeScript-based Node.js service and a Python-based system, both orchestrated with LangGraph. When a market triggers analysis, they spin up simultaneously. This is where it gets interesting. Let's look at a specific market. When we analyze this, here's what happens. Each agent has access to autonomous tools. They don't just regurgitate data, they reason about it. You can see their individual theses here, the bull case, the bear case, key catalysts, and identified risks. Then our consensus engine synthesizes all these perspectives into a unified probability estimate. But here's the key. It's not a black box. You see the entire reasoning chain. You see where agents agree, where they disagree, and why. Once the network reaches consensus, execution is frictionless. We integrated Magic Link for authentication and Ethers.js for blockchain interaction. You review the AI's reasoning, set your position size, and we execute directly on the polymarket order book, all without leaving the app. The entire flow is traced and observable. We use OPIC for full LLM tracing, so every decision is auditable. Every API call is logged. Every agent signal is stored in Supabase for closed-loop learning. Finally, we built a comprehensive analytics dashboard. This isn't just, did I make money? It's why you made money and which agents are generating alpha. You get real-time metrics, win rates across all trades, total profit, average time to settlement. You can drill down into individual agent performance, see which agents are consistently right, which ones are overconfident, and which ones excel in specific market conditions. This creates a feedback loop. The system learns. Agents that consistently outperform get weighted higher in future consensus calculations. Agents that miss signals get recalibrated. In a weekend, we built a production-grade multi-agent system that solves a real problem, turning prediction markets from vibes-based gambling into data-driven science. We're running both TypeScript and Python backends, full blockchain integration, and a polished UI that makes institutional-grade analysis accessible to everyone. Thanks for checking it out.